Hey, what's up? This is Kevin Thrasher from Escape the Fate. So another thing we can do on this platform is upload albums. So I'll click over here to discography, and we'll add music album. So this is where you can add your album, and you can even sell it on this platform. So we have our album artwork, which we'll do first. Great. Looks perfect already. We have our album for sale, and we'll just do $9.99. The album title is called I Am Human. Our release will be May 20th, 2019. Our release type will just be a regular release. The genre we'll do rock. Perfect. And then we'll enter in the record label right here, which is 11/7. And then we'll have a description about the album. Perfect. And then you have to click, I have all these licenses, rights, consents, and permissions of the artist's name, and song, and titles. So you just click these two to consent, and you go to next, and you upload your tracks. So now we've created the album page. It's very simple. It was all approved. So we've got I Am Human, Escape the Fate, 2018 LP. You can click here to buy the album. You can preview all the tracks right here very simply. This is basically what it looks like. And then under it has related albums, so you can check out a few different artists that are in the same genre or same field as us. So you're able to share this album with all your friends on their pages, so they can share it with their friends, and then hopefully you can get a lot of attention on your record and your music and make some money here.
You can find more information about music monetization and album uploads at Show4me Help Center.